Adding cool animations to your videos isn't difficult with motion graphics templates. Here are 5 great motion graphics templates for Premiere Pro to animate your projects. Download all of these animations from Envato Elements. Subscribe and get unlimited access to over 50 million digital assets, video templates, audio tracks, stock photos, and much more. Click the links in the description and get started. This motion graphics template for Premiere Pro is super complete. It comes with 170 animations in 12 categories and is fully customizable. Create unique animations with these Premiere Pro icons. Looking for different Premiere Pro graphics? Broadcast Hand Package is a nice twist on the usual explainer templates. In this Premiere Pro animation, a hand animation brings in your logo or text and leaves the screen. This is a fun Premiere Pro animation package. Entertainment features a quirky flat design and great transitions. The motion graphics template includes graphics for travel, fitness, and more. Lava features eye-catching colors and subtle motion in the form of lava bubbles. This is a modern motion graphics Premiere Pro template perfect for YouTubers, fashion shows, vlogs, and more. With geometric shapes and smart transitions, this Premiere Pro animation package lives up to its essential name. It's customizable and features lower thirds, titles, and more. Did you like this selection of Premiere Pro graphics? Just click the links in the description to download them. And you can also browse the huge selection of motion graphics Premiere Pro templates on Envato Elements. Please like and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. You'll get notification of all our latest roundups and tutorials for video software and more.